Hello guys, I'm back with another video and today is about Lendconnect. So this is after 24 hours of investing into Lendconnect. I started with $130. Okay, that's about 21 Lendconnect points or tokens. So it's 24 hours and I was paid almost $3 after 24 hours. See, Lendconnect is actually a great platform. The reason I love Lendconnect, or prefer Lendconnect to other platforms, is that unlike other platforms, it has a shorter period of time before, or a shorter release time. Okay, so I want to show you lending. Yeah, so you can see the first plan is 120 days, 100 days, 80 days. Lendconnect is the only platform currently offering this, and you can see that the current profit is on. You can see my contracts. Okay, that was my contracts, 21 LCT at the time I started with. And something that is also amazing about Lendconnect is that when you reinvest, it you still they still release your capital after 120 days. Okay, from your first investment, unlike Bitcoin that is being calculated based on every investment you do. So you in each day you can be having returns, or you can have profits spread out into more than 50 places. Okay, like 50 times you are receiving profits, payment. But on Lendconnect, everything is released once. Okay, after 24 hours. If I choose to reinvest this right now, okay, if I choose to reinvest this right now, it will still be calculated based on the first lending that I did. So it's still going to be that same time being used and not for the time I'm going to reinvest this. Okay, so Lendconnect is really a great platform. The exchange is not open yet. I believe once this exchange is open, the value of the coin is going to um, go up. Okay, the value of the coin will definitely go up. So this is really a great platform. Remember guys, this is no financial advice. This is basically what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just trying to share it with you guys. So if you're interested and you feel like you really want to try this out, uh, there's a link below this video where you can register with Lendconnect. And don't forget to subscribe and register, as I will be sharing my journey as I go on with Lendconnect. So that's it guys. Have a great time.